Welcome students. Today we will do integration of some particular functions. See students, first integral is dx upon x square minus a square. How to integrate such type of functions? In such type of functions you can see here, we can split 1 by x square minus a square into sum of two functions, like one factor is x minus a, another factor is x plus a. X square minus a square can be written as x plus a into x minus a. 1 by x square minus a square, it is a product of a plus b into a minus b. Now we will write down 1 upon x minus a, 1 upon x plus a. One factor, another factor separated with plus sign. Now what will you do? See students, this function will become 0 when x equal to a, right? So leave this function. Put x equal to a. This is not x, so 1 will remain as it is. When you will replace x by a, you will get a plus a equal to 2a. Right? This function will become 0 when x equal to minus a. It means leave this factor, put x equal to minus a, 1 as it is, x will be replaced by minus a. So minus a minus 2a. This is the shortcut. How can we separate these two factors, right? Now taking 1 by 2a common, what will you get? 1 by x minus a minus plus minus minus 1 by x plus a. So we can write dx upon x square minus x a square as this factor, right? So can I write here 1 by 2 will remain outside, constant, 1 by x minus a plus 1 by x plus a dx, right? Now what is integration of this function? See, after this, it is equal to 1 by 2 constant as it is, integration of 1 by x minus a. What is the derivative of x minus a? Only dx. So you will consider this function as only x. Whose derivative is 1 by x? Log x. It means what is the derivative of log x minus a? It will be equal to 1 by x minus a. So what is its integration? Log x minus a. So it is answer is log x minus a plus log x plus a plus c, where c is constant of integration, right? It becomes 1 by 2a log n plus log n. It is log, here this is plus, it is minus sign here, so minus sign will come here. Log n minus log n is log n upon n plus c, where c is constant of integration. I think it is clear to you. First of all, you will separate x square minus a square as two factors, x plus a into x minus a. Now you will split two factors like this. You will see x minus a equal to 0 when x equal to a. So in this, leave x minus a factor. Wherever is value x, variable x, replace x by a. So leaving it, here is only one x, so x plus a plus a, 2a, so 2a will be here. And x plus a will be 0 when x equal to minus a. So leave this factor, x is replaced by minus a, minus a, minus a, minus 2a. Now you can see 2a is common, so I have taken 1 by 2a common. 1 by x minus a plus minus minus 1 by x plus a. So Again, 1 by a square minus x square can be written as 1 by a minus x into a plus x. Now it can be separated by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x. Right? Now we will see a minus x will be 0 when x equal to a. Leave this factor here. Put x equal to a. 1 a plus a 2a. So multiply 2a here. A plus x will be 0 when x equal to minus a. So leave this factor. Put x equal to minus a here. A plus a equal to minus minus plus. So a plus a equal to 2a. Now you can see again 1 by 2a is common. 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x. So write it here. 1 by 2a outside. 1 by a minus x plus 1 by a plus x dx. This is 1 by 2a log of a minus x. See student, this is a minus x. What is its derivative? Minus 1. Right? It means you will divide this function by minus 1. Here this is plus 1 by log a plus x plus c constant of integration. Is that clear? What is derivative here? This is 1, so no need to multiply or divide by any number. 1 by 2 outside, it is log a plus x plus minus minus log a minus x plus c, or it becomes 1 by 2a log n minus log n log m upon n plus c, where c is constant of integration. Right students? So what is the formula of dx? So it is, we have done integration of dx upon a square minus x square is 1 by 2a log a plus x upon a minus x plus c, and learn this formula also. Right? You can learn one of the formula either 1 or 2 because only the difference is of minus sign. So here minus sign, the difference will come. Okay? Next question is dx upon x square plus a square. See students, here x square plus a square cannot be factorized. In this question we will do some substitution. See what we will do substitution. If I substitute x equal to, it is 1 plus something. 1 plus something is 1 plus sin square theta. There is no formula. 1 plus cot tan square theta. Yes, this is the formula. So x equal to a tangent theta. Dx will become a secant square theta d theta. Let us substitute here. It becomes a secant square theta d theta divided by a square tangent square theta plus a square. You can see a square is common. So let us take a square common. A upon a square secant square theta d theta upon 1 plus tangent square theta. 1 plus tan square theta is further again secant square theta. So it is secant square theta d theta upon secant square theta. Secant square theta is cancelled out. What is integration of dx? Integration of 1 into dx. You say x because derivative of x is 1. Here it is integration with respect to theta. So what will be the answer? Theta plus c. Right students? Now what is the value of theta? Here this is x upon a equal to tangent theta. It means theta is what? Tan inverse x upon a. So substitute the value here. It is 1 by a tan inverse x upon a plus c. It is integration of x square. See students, here there is how to learn this formula. We know that Derivative of tan inverse x is 1 upon 1 plus x square. Right? So it is something 1 plus x square type. So whenever a square plus x square or x square plus a square will come, it can be written as also dx upon a square plus x square. Both are same. So it is what? 1 by a tan inverse x upon a plus c, where c is constant of integration. Is that clear? Pause the video to note it down. See students, next integral is dx upon under root of x square minus a square. Again this cannot be, it can be factorized, but it is in under root, so can be solved for easily. This is x square minus a square. Again we will do some substitution. 1 minus, it is something sin square theta minus 1, there is no formula. Tangent square theta minus 1, no formula. Secant square minus 1, yes. So it means in this question we will put x equal to, let x equal to secant theta. It is a here, so a secant theta. Differentiate dx equal to a. Derivative of secant is secant theta into tangent theta d theta. Substitute here, it becomes dx is a secant theta tangent theta d theta divided by under root of x. A square secant square theta minus a square. It is a secant theta tangent theta d theta. Numerator will remain same. Here you can see a square common. Under root of a square will come out. What is left inside? Secant square theta minus 1. It will become a will cancel out. So what is that? Secant theta tangent theta divided by secant square minus 1 is tangent square theta d theta, because 1 plus tangent square theta is equal to secant square. So taking one on right side, it is sec tangent square theta. Now square and square root are together. It means this is nothing but secant theta tangent theta upon tangent theta d theta. Tangent theta is cancelled out. So what is the answer? So we got integration of secant theta d theta. Students, we have done integration of secant theta is what? Log of secant theta plus tangent theta plus c, where c is constant of integration. Now substitute the value of secant theta is x upon a. X upon a. Tangent theta. If secant theta is x upon a, tangent theta will be equal to under root of secant square theta minus 1. It is x square upon a square minus 1. Take LCM, it will be a square here. So x square minus under root of x square minus a square. Under root of a square, only a will come plus c. Or it can be written as log of x plus under root of x square minus a square, take LCM, plus c. It is log m upon n, so it becomes log m minus log n plus c. What is this? Log a is again a constant, so it can be written as log x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c1, where c1 is c minus log a is the constant of integration. Right? we are left with secant square theta minus 1. Under root of a square is a. A is cancelled out. Numerator is secant tan d theta as it is. Denominator under root of secant square minus 1. Secant square minus 1 is what? Tangent square. Under root of tan square only tan. So 1 factor tan is cancelled out. We are left with only secant theta. And we have done integration of secant theta is log of secant theta plus tan theta plus c. Now we have the integration in terms of x, but our answer in terms of theta, so we have to convert answer in terms of x again. X equal to a secant theta, it means dividing x by a, it is the value of secant theta. So because secant theta is x upon a. Now what is tan theta? If secant theta is x upon a, we have relation tangent theta equal to under root of secant square minus 1. Secant square is x square upon a square minus 1. Take LCM. We got x square minus a square. Under root of a square is only a, so a here. Take LCM again. Log n upon n. It can be written as log n minus log n. This is again a constant independent of x. So together we can take it as a new constant. So what is the integration of this function? It is log of x plus under root of x square minus a square plus c. Right? Pause the video to note it down and also learn this formula. See students, next is question number 5. Integration of dx upon root a square minus x square. It is now 1 minus sine square theta. Can be solved? So we can take here, let x equal to a sine theta, dx equal to a cos theta d theta. Substitute here a cos theta d theta divided by under root of a square minus a square sine square theta. Right? Now what is common in the denominator? Under root of a square is common. We are left with 1 minus sine square theta. 1 minus sine square theta is cos square theta. It is a upon a cos theta upon root cos square theta is only cos theta. D theta cancel out. So what is left with 1 d theta. What is the integration of 1? Theta plus c. Now what is the result theta from here? We can write it as x upon a equal to sine theta. So it becomes theta equal to sine inverse x upon a equal to theta. Substitute the value here. It becomes sine inverse x upon a plus c. Right students? So it is only sine inverse x upon a. So answer is sine inverse x upon a plus c, where c is constant of integration. Is that clear? See, when otherwise students, what is the derivative of sine inverse x? Derivative of sine inverse x is 1 by root 1 minus x square. So whenever it is under root of 1 minus something minus x square, it means always answer will be equal to sine inverse x upon what is the number here, that number. Is that clear? So you can learn this formula by this way. Pause the video to note it down. See students, next integral is dx upon root x square plus a square. I have done all the 5 integrals. Now it is homework. You will do this integral yourself. What can be the substitution? X sine square plus 1. There is no formula. Tan square plus 1. Yes, 1 plus tan square theta is secant square. So here x equal to a tangent theta will be the substitution, and you will find out the answer yourself. See students, see the examples. Now we have done integrals of some particular functions. Now let us see how to apply these integrals in solving the questions, right? square minus 4 square. And we have done integral dx upon x square minus a square is what? Log of 1 by 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a plus c. Right, students? So substitute the value here. This becomes 1 by 2a. A is 4 log of x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c. It becomes 1 by a log x minus 4 upon x plus 4 plus c, where c is constant of integration. Right? So it is very easy to solve now. Now this is dx upon 2x. If this question will come for 1 mark, then you will solve 1 or 2 marks. This is enough to solve. But if this question will come for 4 marks, then you have to split this x square minus 4 square by separating the factors 1 by x plus 4, 1 by x minus 4, and then you will find out this answer. You will not use that formula. Is that clear? Now next question is dx upon root 2x minus x square. It is not of the type x square minus x square or x square minus a square. Here we will do by this question by completing square method. Students, see what is the completing square method. This is a quadratic equation, but it is not a complete square. We have to make it complete square. How? First of all, make coefficient of x square as unity, means 1. What is coefficient of x square here? Minus 1. Take minus 1 common, it becomes x square minus 2x. After making coefficient of x square 1, you have to add or subtract square of a number. What is that number? After doing this step, you have to add square or subtract, add and subtract a square of a number. What is that number? Half the coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? 2. What is half? Half of 2 will be 1. 2 by 2 is equal to what? 1. It means adding 1 square and subtracting 1 square. Whatever the number, if it is 3 by 2 here, for example, this is 3 by 2x. Then what is the half of it? 3 by 2 into 2, 3 by 4. Then you will add or subtract 3 by 4 square. Are you clear? Next is minus 1 a square minus 2ab plus b square. A minus b whole square. It is a minus b whole square as it is. Right? Minus 1 square. 1 square is 1. Now multiply minus 1 inside. It becomes minus minus plus. So minus x minus 1 whole square minus minus plus 1. So this factor can be written as dx upon under root of 1 I am writing here minus x minus 1 whole square. Now see students, this is of the type a square minus x square. What is the derivative of x minus 1? 1. So this you will consider x minus 1 as only x. Right? So it is a square minus x square. See how to do it further? We have done integral under root of a square minus x square. It is minus x square. Under root of 1 minus x square is what? Sine inverse. What is the derivative of sine inverse x? It is 1 by under root of 1 minus x square. This is of same type, but here it is a square. Whenever a will come, it becomes a here. Right? So it is sine inverse x upon a plus c. Let us apply this formula here. We got this is equal to dx upon 2x minus x square. It is equal to dx upon under root of 1 square minus x minus 1 square. It is equal to sine dx, sine inverse. What is in place of x? 1 dx upon, this is I am taking 1 by 3 outside, x square as it is, 13 by 3x as it is. Now you have to add square of a number, subtract a square of a number, minus 10 by 3 constant. This number will remain as it is. What is to add or subtract? What is the square? Which number is that? It is for half of coefficient of x, 13 by 3. What is its half? 13 by 6. So it is 13 by 6, 13 by 6. Is that clear? A square plus 2ab plus b square. A plus b whole square, 1 by 3 dx upon a plus b whole square minus. Now do 13 square is 169. 6 square is 36 minus 10 upon 3. It becomes dx 1 by 3 outside dx upon x plus 13 by 6 whole square as such minus take LCM 36 169 as it is. This will become minus sign I have taken common, so it will become plus 12 is 36. It means 12 into 1 time 120. So 1 by 3 dx upon x plus 13 by 6 whole square minus 49 upon 36. This 49 upon 36 can be written as 7 by 6 whole square. And we have done formula integration of under root of x, only not under root, only x square minus a square dx. 1 by 2 in log x minus a upon x plus a dx plus c. So apply here this x plus 13 by 6. What is its derivative? 1. So you will consider this x plus 13 by 6 as x only. It is what? 1 by 3, 1 by 2a. What is a? 7 by 6. Log of x. X is x plus 13 by 6. Minus a is 7 by 6. So x plus 13 by 6 plus 7 by 6 plus